Do you think a race car is fast? Well, think again. Right now, inside your body, electricity is zipping along at an astounding 120 miles per hour. That's even faster than a Formula One car hitting its peak speed. Every time you think, I should wiggle my toe, a signal races down your leg like a tiny lightning bolt. You're basically a walking, talking electric superhighway, powered by invisible currents zipping through you. And guess what? The story of your internal electricity gets even wilder. Let's dive into the control center of this whole operation, your brain. Take a look at your hand and then think about your head. Your brain, snugly nestled inside your skull, weighs only about 3 pounds. That's just 2% of your total body weight. Sounds tiny, right? But here's the kicker. That little 3-pound powerhouse is an energy hog. It consumes a whopping 20% of all the calories and oxygen you take in. Can you believe that? 1/5 of your energy is dedicated to keeping your brain buzzing. Even when you're fast asleep, dreaming away, your brain is still burning through calories like a furnace, processing memories and prepping for the next day. It never takes a break. This constant energy use is what allows you to think, feel, dream, and experience life. It's the price of consciousness, paid with every bite you take. Now let's journey down from your head to your gut. You know that fluttery, nervous feeling you get before a big presentation or a first date? We call it having butterflies in your stomach, but it's more than just a feeling. That's your second brain talking. Yep, scientists call it the enteric nervous system. A complex network of over 100 million neurons lining your digestive tract. To put it into perspective, you've got more nerve cells in your gut than in your entire spinal cord. This second brain doesn't write poetry or solve math problems, but it manages digestion and even influences your mood. So next time you get a strong gut feeling, trust it. That's your stomach giving you a piece of its mind. For ages we thought our nervous system was fixed, like a set of rigid wires installed at the factory. Once you're an adult, that's it, right? If a nerve got damaged, it was game over. But we were totally wrong. Your nervous system is actually plastic. This incredible property called neuroplasticity means your brain and nerves can change and adapt throughout your life. Every time you learn something new, whether it's juggling, picking up a new programming language, or memorizing a new route to work, you're physically reshaping your brain. You're building new connections, forging new pathways. You're literally rewiring your own hardware just by thinking and practicing. You're the architect of your own mind. This is why someone who loses their sight can develop an incredible sense of hearing. Their brain reallocates unused visual processing power to enhance other senses. It's your body's ultimate adaptation mechanism. All right, here is the wildest fact of all. Your nervous system is so advanced that it can essentially predict the future and act on it. Imagine this. You accidentally touch a scorching hot stove. Instantly you jerk your hand back. But here's the mind-blowing part. You pull your hand away before you even feel the pain. How is that possible? It's a life-saving trick called a reflex arc. When your fingers touch something hot, the sensory nerves don't waste time sending the signal all the way up to your brain. Instead, the message travels just to your spinal cord, which acts like a local commander. It sends a command straight back to your muscles. Retreat! By the time the pain signal reaches your brain and it screams, "Ouch! That's hot!" your hand is already safe. Your body saves you before your conscious mind even realizes there's danger. It's a beautifully efficient system prioritizing survival. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember what's happening beneath the surface. You're not just a collection of flesh and bone. You're a complex, dynamic, and incredibly powerful electric machine. You're a biological supercomputer running on signals faster than a race car, with a power-hungry CEO in your head and a wise advisor in your gut. You can rewire your own circuitry and react to danger faster than you can think. The universe of electricity isn't just out there in the stars. The most fascinating version of it is right here, inside of you. If you found this as mind-blowing as I do, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing insights into the incredible machine you call your body.